Hello, and my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? I like this because it's a little different from Would You Rather, but kind of the same. Okay, so you have the ability to control minds, but every time you do, you become hungry and thirsty. Well, what's a problem with that? I mean, if you control minds when you're already hungry and thirsty, then there's no problem. But again, this doesn't seem like worth it to me. I mean, part of the fun of life is not being able to control people. So no. 56 press. Okay. Superheroes become real, but your whole family dies. That's awful. No. 315 didn't press. I'm already a superhero. While I'm a hero, I'm not a superhero. But a hero works for me. You can have $50 billion, but you always have to poop when you look at grass. Sure. No one wants to poo on when they look at grass. Become a best shooter in the world, but you're stuck with Drod, awful guy, being your spotter. No, I don't like guns. And I have no fucking idea who Drod is. Maybe I've been living under a rock. You live a millionaire life and are super attractive, but you always have the fear of getting killed. Sure. Haha! 74 pressed. Awesome. Yeah. By the way, that's supper. You don't have to go through puberty, but you can reproduce. Well, I think that you're only able to reproduce if you go through puberty, I think. So, no, dumb. 296 press. You can have any technology you want, but you never have any socks. Well, socks are overrated. I mean, I'm always barefoot. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me clarify. Human foot, not barefoot. So, yeah. Socks are overrated. 844 pressed. You have superpowers of your choice, but you are chased like the witches used to be in medieval times. No. I guess people want superpowers. 133 didn't press. You are extremely hot. You are very but you're invisible in pictures. Fuck that. Why did I do that? I mean, you can live a life of creativity, happiness, and adventure, but you would have no electronics. No. 98 didn't press. You get engaged, married with a person you love, even a celebrity. Hello, Emma Watson. No. But he or she dies after 2 years. Huh? Goodbye, Emma! Okay. No. 161 didn't press. You can have any girl you want, but she leaves with your money and everything else 10 years later. No. 160 didn't press. Woohoo! Majority. You can get married to any one of your fictional crushes and they will love you forever. But they are very protective and possessive. They get really mad with anybody else shows any romantic interest in you. put on a pedestal. You have a lifetime supply of your favorite food, but you also have to eat elephant poop. No, I don't care. I will not eat elephant feces. I'm sorry, guys, but that's just not how Sean Awesome rolls. Never have ads on YouTube and TV for the rest of your life, but always have someone blocking your view in the dramatic, exciting, terrifying, sad, or romantic bits. No, ads make YouTube and TV possible. Maybe. You will be able to be in any fictional world of your choice, but you can't enter worlds that have magic involved. You'll never have a romantic relationship with any of the characters, and your favorite character dies for good when you enter the world. No, fuck that. 685 didn't press. You can have any woman, man in the world. Can I have both? I'm just kidding. I only like girls. I'm sorry, guys. When you are with them for a year, they will gain 300 pounds. That's perfect. Not that I necessarily like fat people, but I have all the knowledge needed for them to lose all the weight they put on. So, yeah. 345 press. You get $200, but your penis falls off. Nope. Just nope. Nope. There's no fucking way. Okay. You can eat chocolate anytime you want, but you will always smell like cow poo. No. I'm not that big on chocolate anymore. 253 didn't press, and I don't want to smell like manure. You get to spend the rest of your life with your crush, but all of your crush's friends die. I may be bad, but sure. I'm awful, I know. Ha! This question is awful because only 7 people answered it. You suddenly understand the greatest mysteries of the universe, but you lose all ability to communicate. No. 256. Understanding the greatest mysteries of the universe. I mean, if you understood all that, then what's the point? Last question. You can have any pet you ever wanted, even animals that are not real, but you will have to wear a chicken suit when you get close to it, or it will kill you. I'm happy with the dog I have. Thank